Do you know, you can make a very healthy and tasty dish with leftover rice. That too, a one-pot meal, which we call Rasiya Muthia. This is a Gujarati dish. This Rasiya Muthia is basically a different version of Muthiya. This is the gravy-style version of Muthiya. Generally, the Gujarati Muthiya that are made are dry, which you enjoy with tea. I have already shared many different Muthiya recipes with you all, so let's start making Rasiya Muthia today. For this, I have taken leftover cooked rice here. These are rice made in the morning, and right now we are shooting in the evening. This is half a cup. Along with the rice, I am also adding some vegetables. Here, I have taken bottle gourd and carrot, and they are grated. This is also totally half a cup, the same amount as the vegetables. If you don't want to add vegetables, you can make it with just rice as well. Let's add a little bit of cilantro as well. Right now, you can also use spinach instead of cilantro. Along with it, add a little bit of ginger and this green chili that I have taken. If you like garlic, you can add garlic here as well. And here I have some basic spices at home, which are 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, cumin powder, and about 2 teaspoons chili powder. Now you can adjust the spiciness according to your taste. If you like garam masala or kitchen king masala, you can add those as well. And we'll add salt at the end. Let's mix everything well once. And after that, we'll add about 1 cup of gram flour. The quantity of gram flour depends on how much water the vegetables release. You might need to take 1 or 2 spoons more than 1 cup of gram flour, and if you want, you can also mix a little semolina with the gram flour. And in the end, we'll add about 1 teaspoon of oil. This will make the Muthiya very soft. Now let's mix everything well once. If you feel that it has become too dry, you can sprinkle a little water on it. But remember that the vegetables also release a good amount of their own water. Keep the Muthiya mixture loose enough to drop, like this. Don't make it too hard like dough, otherwise the Muthiya will feel very hard when you eat them. All right, the Rasiya Muthia mixture is ready, and now it's time to steam it. If these were normal Muthiya, we would steam them on a sieve in a steamer. But for these Muthiya, we don't follow that procedure. We will cook this directly in buttermilk, that is, in chass. So now, in a large vessel, we will take about 2 cups of thin chass. We need to let this chass come to a good boil first over low to medium heat, and we will continuously stir it. Now, to give flavor to the chass, I am adding a little turmeric and salt. The chass has come to a good boil, and I am still continuously stirring it. So now it's time to cook the Muthiya in it. But whenever you are dropping the Muthiya into the chass, do not lower the heat at all. Because we have to drop the Muthiya into the boiling chass, I apply a little oil so that I can easily drop the Muthiya. And in this way, take a small portion from the batter and immediately drop it into the boiling chass. Just make sure that you don't drop the Muthiya in the same place. Wherever you dropped the first Muthiya, drop the next one in the opposite direction. Whenever you add Muthiya to the hot chass, don't try to stir it immediately. Let the Muthiya cook inside gently. They will float to the top on their own once they are fully cooked. Now you will see that the Muthiya have boiled and come to the surface. That means they are getting cooked through on the inside. But at this point, I turn the heat to medium and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. And here, if you feel that the gravy, that is the sauce, is too thin, then take the bowl in which we made the Muthiya mixture. You can add a little water to it and then add it to this. That will give a nice thickness to the gravy because the batter we made had gram flour in it. All right, the Rasiya Muthia is almost cooked. So now it's time for the tempering. I'll add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a pinch of Asafoetida. And along with that, I'll also add 2 dried red chilies and a little bit of curry leaves. This is totally optional. And finally, a little Kashmiri chili powder. This will give a nice color to the Muthiya. Let's pour the tempering over the Rasiya Muthia. Rasiya Muthia is completely ready now. We can turn off the heat, but at the end, we'll add a little Gujarati touch. 1 teaspoon of sugar, which is totally optional. Now let's plate the hot Rasiya Muthia. And finally, let's garnish the Rasiya Muthia with fresh coriander. So here it is. Hot and delicious Rasiya Muthia is ready. These Muthiya taste best when they're hot. They've turned out so delicious, and they're so soft that you don't even need any soda.